All right, fam, welcome to another deal drop. This is round two. Round two? Yeah, round two. So, in my last video, I gave you guys a bunch of tips about deal hunting over at Lowe's. One of the tips is swing by your customer service desk and search for returned items. You can use your eyes, you don't have to jump back there. I don't want anybody getting arrested, and I don't want to get banned from YouTube. The last thing I need is another copyright strike. So, moving on, you guys can see here that I scored this for a song. This wasn't currently behind the customer service desk, but I did catch it on that little cart that the employees use to put items back out on the shelves that were being returned. I managed to catch it before it hit the shelves, so I got first dibs. Sometimes you'll see stuff out on the floor that just doesn't make sense. I remember them clearing out these Chamberlain openers from a few years ago, so I scanned it with the app. And let's see, where'd that go? I scanned it with the app and it showed out of stock. Now, when they are a clearance item or a non-inventory item, they will always cut you a deal, especially if they are out of stock. You guys can see here, this definitely rang up out of stock. So I hunted down my friendly Lowe's employee, and they cut me this deal here. Just saying, your mileage will vary with some of these. Sometimes you'll find people that don't want to cut any kind of deal. They don't care how much unsold product sits out on the floor. That's not their concern, but it should be. Moving on, here is another item I wanted to touch and discuss with you guys. I've been wanting to address this for a while. You guys noticed on that receipt that I shared in the last video, there were some Metabo items. Now, some of those were displays. If a company is discontinuing an item that is on display, they will pull that item and sell it. Those are deals that just can't be beat. Right here, you're looking at the Craftsman V20 mid-torque. Why are they discontinuing it? So they can slap a pretty RP sticker on it. Now, that's not our concern. Their marketing tactics are their own business. Regardless, this is a non-inventory item at this point, so they cut me a deal on it. See, this is the sort of thing I'm talking about. You'll find stuff that you know is on clearance, but hasn't been on the floor for a while. So when you see it, grab it and look it up with the app. And returns as well. And of course, when they stop inventorying an item or pull an old model, ask for them to pull it up. If it's non-inventory, they'll cut you a deal. See, sorry for the potato quality there, but that was in store. You guys can see the prices here. I got the opener for 57 bucks. That's ridiculous. The one-handed reset for 19 bucks and the mid-torque for 38 bucks. Ridiculous. So just keep your eyes open. Now let's get into the regular drop stuff. You guys know I never come empty-handed. But before we get into that stuff, I'm sorry I'm stretching this out. I hate doing long videos, but we're just going to do this. You guys keep asking me about Deal Team 6. I keep telling you guys, go join on Facebook, okay? We have a fast growing group. Some of the best deal finders are members, including our very own Jim Davis and Tool Nerd, who have been hunting down some absolute ridiculous deals over at Advanced Auto Parts, mainly the TEQ and gear wrench stuff. Absolute ridiculous prices. I have that pinned right now. Just tons of stuff. Check this out. Amazing. And you've got everybody contributing. This is just the best. Look at this. The DeWalt Rocket Light, 58 bucks. Yes, I know that's impossible to find at this point. It's a unicorn, but You wouldn't have known unless it wasn't shared. And yes, it does say private group, but trust me, guys, just answer a couple of questions and you'll be allowed in. This is not some exclusive Club Med type resort. The questions are there to keep the bots out. Just absolute bananas stuff we do. A lot of it is for fun, but a lot of it is crazy deals. A lot of these guys cover the stuff that I just straight up don't have time for. That being said, let's talk about some Amazon no hacks, no funny business deals. The M12 drill driver, 33 bucks. That's pretty cheap. Shout out to Eugene for that one. The M12 screwdriver that everybody loved, bare tool, mind you. Bare tool, $42. Super, super dirt cheap. The kit, I believe the lowest we got it down to was 69 bucks over the holidays. I think we got it down to 59 for a bit there. But is a 2.0 M12 battery worth 40 or what is that, 20 bucks? I don't know, maybe. It's a really tiny battery and it gets used up really fast. You're going to want a 4.0 or a 3.0 or a 6.0 on this bad boy. It is still one of my favorite screwdrivers to this day. I know it's brushed, I know it's a Gen 1, but man, when they do it right, they do it right. So link for that will be in the description down below as well as an XC 4.0. You guys know the trick already. Go down to, well, when I was making this video, it was at $49.99, but right now it's at $54.99. You guys can see there. Compare new and used. That's what you want to go to, as well as other sellers to check the other prices. M12 stubby, 3/8 inch stubby down to $149. If you guys missed out on that double buy more, save more, when you guys could get this down to, what was it, 89 bucks? Something like that. Ridiculous. $149, what it costs right now. Always check your compare new and free shipping button there. Now let's talk about some hacks. A bunch of y'all have been messaging me about this one right here. Get this free tool. I believe the Perfect Painter sent me this the other day, but while it is hackable and it's not a bad deal at $269, if you guys just go a little bit further, you guys will see this. The same deal, right? M18 Fuel Hackzall with one 5.0 and the bag. M18 Fuel Hackzall with, I'm pretty sure that's a 5.0 and the bag with a carbide tooth reset blade. See, that's the cool part. It costs cheaper already, $249. Let's go ahead and hack this and see what the price comes down to. As always with a hack, you want to use the highest priced item. In this case, it is the hammer drill. So let's do that. Let's add them to the cart and let's see what the cost breaks down to. You can get it for $149 with the battery and the Hackzall charger bag and of course the blade. Not bad for an M18 Hackzall, right? So I've got a couple more zip code changes or store changes. I forgot what you call them. Regardless, they're magic and they're instant savings. No hacks needed here for these. Shout out to both Llama and Warmonger on these. So for the copper cutter, $139. But if you punch in store number 1289, I believe, I hope I got this correct. My handwriting is atrocious. You can get the copper cutter down to 99 bucks. Now that is not an all-time low. I think last summer we got this copper cutter down to, I think it was like 40 bucks, something like that. Ridiculous. I don't think we'll ever see that again, but 99 bucks, not bad. The service light, everyone's favorite M12 light. All you got to do is change the store number to 6175 Manhattan West 23rd Street. And that brings the price of this bad boy down to 49 bucks. There's 620 of these available. It is also not the all-time low. I believe last year, if you caught this at the right time, you could get it for 49 bucks with a 2.0. But you guys know what the economy is like right now. All the prices of items are rapidly rising. If you see something that you're unsure about but you wanted, it's not a bad time if you can score a deal on it. So that's going to do it for this one, fam. I got to get back to work. Have at it, fam. Good luck.